I am going to show you how to draw cars from photographs, just a detail that we've got on there. So here I want to show you and outline the area outside the car, as you really want to keep that in mind as you are drawing to make your job easier and make sure you keep things in proportions on here. So on the first car I'm starting on, I'm really working on that distance between the edge of the paper and the car on here. So I've got this is going to put the basis of my drawing on here and really help me set that up on there. So now I'm just refining this on here. I'm working really lightly with my pencil so I can get the opportunity to rub out any marks on here should I need to. So I really try to consider where things are in relation to one another and how big they are in relation to one another, and I'm checking this and kind of correcting as I go along, which is why it's important to have light lines so you can correct and adjust the shapes and adjust the size on there. So just keep going and adding more and more detail on there. I'm trying to put all the tiny bit of detail. The only thing I'm not going to put at this point is any kind of writing on there. So just trying to refine this and a little bit of detail inside the lights as well. As you can see, I'm not shading my picture. I'm just looking at a line drawing on there. So then moving on to a second car, and same, really studying the space around the car and then getting on with the detail on there and just checking that I've got things in the right place, that my proportions are accurate.